Hi everyone, I'm Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Welcome back to day 15 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. And I have so much to share with you today. I even have a big announcement at the end of this video. Exciting stuff, so make sure you stay tuned. All right. So let's get to day 15. The fabric is so pretty. I'll talk about that in a minute, but let's open this one up first. All right, let's see. I'm so excited about this one because I have no idea what it is. You guys had some good guesses. Okay, there's a few things in here, it looks like. Oh, there's a pattern. We thought so, right? Oh, I love it. Patchwork bag. Okay. There is some light, so light fusible. And, oh my goodness, it's wood purse handles and magnetic closure. Oh my goodness, so it's like all the stuff to make this adorable bag. Yay! Another project. Okay, I definitely am gonna make this. Hopefully I'll have it ready by tomorrow. We'll see. Okay, oh, it looks pretty easy. Yeah, all right. Oh, this is so exciting. I love projects. I'm curious, I've never used handles like this. I have used magnetic closures, but the handles, I love it. All right, let's guess tomorrow's gift. If you don't want to see, skip ahead. There are chapters in this, so you can move right ahead. There's little dots at the bottom. You can just click ahead, okay? Here we go, here we go, here we go. What is this? It's like foamy. There's nothing hard in it. Mine is also open. I could peek. I'm not going to, but I could. If I really wanted to, I could. I don't know what this is. It's bendy. I'm tempted to peek. I'm not going to. I don't know what happened. It looks like it was sliced or something. I don't know. Maybe they forgot to put something in or something. But you know what? I don't care. Like I said the other day, I'm sure this is a hard endeavor. Okay, I don't know what this is, but I want to hear your guesses. I'm so excited about the project though too. All right, let's talk about yesterday's item, which was the fabric. Oh, I love it. Here is a picture. You can see the array of colors and prints and all that wonderful stuff. We got doubles of most of these. Actually, I think we got doubles of all of these, and some we got triples of. So there were 42 in all. I had to play with them. I had to look at them. My favorite is this dragonfly print. So cute. And one thing I really appreciate with this is that the directional fabrics are going two ways, so not just one, okay? So like the dragonflies, one row is up and one row is down. I love that too. It's gonna make an adorable purse. Okay, can't wait to make this. All right, also, I did try these sewing edge. They work great so far. They are repositionable. They are super duper sticky. They're wonderful so far. I am loving them. Oh, you know what? Maybe I'll use these when I make this too. And I'll show some footage of that. I don't know, we'll see how that happens. The other thing, the thermo, what's it called? I don't know, the batting we got that's for the hot pads. I did take a few old blocks that I had, quilt blocks, and I did make a hot pad out of it. This is beautiful to work with. It needles so well. It's kind of cool because check out this texture on the back of this hot pad. Oh, before I put the backing on. It's really nice. I haven't used it with a hot pan yet, but I will, and I'll maybe put a hot pad underneath it first to make sure that it's gonna absorb the heat. The directions were very confusing. There's a lot of different uses for this, including keeping things cold. I don't know, I used 2 layers of the thermo fleece. I think that's what it was called, stuff. So that's that. I have finished another bird. Now people were upset that I didn't do a close-up. My stitches aren't great, especially my Lazy Daisy stitches, but hey, you know, who cares, because I'm learning. So you can see my bird, and this one I did 2-sided. I also put it on Facebook so you can see too. These are so much fun. I am still working on the white one, so then I'll have all 4 done. I love it. It's been a lot of fun. It's just something I do when I sit down in the evenings watching TV. All right, anything else? I don't think, other than we'll talk about the price points where we're at. I love that we are in the black, which is awesome. And then I'll talk about that big announcement. So the charm pack, I'm putting at $11. Now I know that's an average of what charm packs cost. You can get them on sale, especially. That's why I kind of stuck with a middle ground number there. So I am staying with $11 for any charm packs we get. Our running total from yesterday was $188.90 plus the $11 for the charm pack. So that brings us up to $199.90. If you take the $179.95 that I paid and subtract the $199.90, that gives us a balance to the good of $19.95. This has been fantastic. What a great value in this box. And I can't wait to see what tomorrow's is too. All right, big announcement time. So last year I actually bought 2 of the boxes. So in 2022, I bought 2 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas boxes. I have that extra box still that I've never even opened the box. I mean the outer box or the inner box. And I am going to be giving that away on Instagram. So if you follow me on Instagram, go to my Instagram page. All the information will be there on how to enter. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please do. You can enter to win it. This giveaway is going to run, let me double check, till Wednesday, December 20th at midnight, okay? So, or well, 11:59 p.m., okay? So you'll have a lot of time to enter, and then I will get it in the mail on Thursday the 21st, so I can get it out to you so you can have it for Christmas. But remember, it's 2022's box, not this year's box, but 2022's box, so you can go back and look at those videos. And it's so exciting. I can't do international shipping. That's the only thing that I wish I could. I wish I could afford to do international shipping, but it would cost me a small fortune, and it probably would cost you a small fortune with custom fees. So it has to be the United States. Sorry. I know. I wish I could do that, but I can't. So go out to my Instagram page to enter. I hope you have a great day. I hope you take some time to sew. I'm going to be working on this purse today. I don't have anything else going on, so I'm going to get that done so I can show that to you tomorrow. I'll see you then. Bye.